Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, my name remains Lucky Asemota. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, alright? And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that every time I upload new video, you will always get a notification. Okay guys, there's a quick video I'm doing right now, okay? Because a lot of people have been sending me messages regarding the issue they're having with their software, Photoshop, okay? They said every time they open their software, there's this message that always pop up, okay? And it has been giving them issue. They always receive this message, okay? This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. The reason for this message is because a lot of people, they are using a cracked software, Photoshop, okay? I believe the reason is that they can't afford the subscription, okay? And if you are out there, you can afford a Photoshop subscription, please go for it, okay? So the reason why I'm doing this video is for me to show us how we can get rid of this kind of message, okay? So I'm going to keep this video short, all right? Just follow my footstep, okay? So the first thing we are going to do, just make sure click this place and go to Windows Security, all right? Click Windows Security. If you can't get it here, click the start button and search for it here. Windows Security, okay? You will see it here. All right, so you click Firewall and Network Protection. This one here, Firewall and Network Protection. Then go to Advanced Setting. All right, click yes. And let's close this one. You go to click this inbound rules, okay? And we are setting a new rule for that application, for that software, Photoshop. Click this new rule, all right? And click program, click next. Now come to this place and search for your software, Photoshop. Okay, just search for it, Photoshop. Me, I'm using 2025 currently. I'm using version 2025, okay? Depending on the one you are using currently, click open file location, okay? When you open it, go to, you will click right click and go to open file location again. Okay, here's the software. Just right click and go to copy as path. Click this place, okay? Now let's go back to our Windows Security. What we copy earlier, we are going to paste it here. Just paste it, okay? Make sure you remove this sign here. Remove it, okay? Remove it and click next. All right, go to block connection and click next. Make sure you select everything here and click next. Now we are going to name, just write Photoshop 2025. Me, I'm using 2025. You can write the version you are using, okay, and click finish. Just click finish, okay. Now we are going to just click this place here, art bounds rules. We are going to set art bound rules. The reason why we are doing it this way is so that the software will not be able to connect to internet, because the reason why you are seeing that pop-up, that messages whenever you open your software, is because the software is making contact with internet. All right, so we are going to use this firewall defender, okay, to block the connection so that the software will not be able to make contact with internet. All right, okay, we are going to do the same thing. Just click this art bound rules here and go to set, go to new rules, click it, click program and click next. Just paste the same thing we copy earlier, the same way we did it earlier. Paste it here, okay, and click next and click this block the connection, okay. Please guys, don't mind my voice, all right. Just click next here. Make sure you select everything, and click next, and we are going to rename it Photoshop and add the version and click finish. All right, then you are good to go. Okay, so let's open our software. So this is how you can get rid of that notification, that pop-up message that always appear every time you open your software, Photoshop. All right, this is how you can fix it. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the notification. Please kindly hit the subscription button, okay, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you always receive notification anytime I upload new video. Okay, all right guys, thank you, bye.